right, take a look at this. You see the green stuff above the penny? That's marijuana, and that's the exact amount of marijuana that got a UGA football player in trouble. But tonight, things are looking better for Natrez Patrick and his teammate, Jason Stanley. The drug charge against Patrick, a starting linebacker, has been dropped. Same for the DUI charge against Stanley. Now, Natrez Patrick's attorney says the evidence just wasn't there.
Jason Stanley admitted that the marijuana was his from the very beginning.
It's my car. It's my car, though.
He admitted that again in court when he pled guilty this morning. So, you know, there never was anything that should have gotten Natrez charged in the first place.
Now, this really isn't a surprise. In fact, this sort of resolution happens all the time. The marijuana was found in the car, not on Natrez Patrick, and it wasn't his car. And his teammate, Jason Stanley, took responsibility for it, and that was enough in this case. And we have some exclusive information tonight. 11 Live has learned the UGA Athlete Handbook was revised in September. There is a new policy regarding substance abuse. UGA will not confirm our findings, but the way we read it, there's more leeway to keep players on the field if they get in trouble. An arrest no longer counts as an automatic strike. That's the takeaway here. And UGA tells us Patrick's status with the team has not changed. He had 3 tackles in Georgia's victory over Auburn in the SEC championship. He's also been in trouble before. Patrick was arrested in October for alleged marijuana possession in Athens, Clarke County. He was suspended for 4 games. And Jeff Hollinger joins me tonight. Jeff, we've seen in society and social media a little more tolerance now when it comes to marijuana, especially in the sports world.
Yeah, absolutely. We're not talking about Willie Nelson's tour bus here or Snoop Dogg in his 1970s Impala. Trace amounts of marijuana, and this has evolved into this big of a deal. It's nothing, right? I mean, the kind of reaction that we've seen on social media, I think mirrors a lot of that. There are some people that believe it remains a big deal. Rules are rules. But ultimately, we're seeing a change in the handbook coming for UGA, which shows change is afoot, not only in society, but in institutions as well.
You got Jack and Judy Reeves saying, make it legal. This nonsense, go away, make it go away. Bigger, worse issues to battle in this messed up world today. But Andy Conville writes, get caught with drugs and no more playing or scholarships.
Oh, hard guy there. Tough guy, man.
Yeah, SEC, ACC, Big Ten, whoever. They're supposed to set examples for younger kids.
The hanging judge right there.
Exactly, a good one, not this kind.
Look, I would be a lousy school administrator because I would always give kids second chances. I think between the age of 15 and 22, you're going to make mistakes. You know, our kids are kids. So, you know, this is, again, we're not talking about a trunk full of marijuana here. We're talking about, you know, law enforcement has to have the eyes of Superman to be able to
find
that.
it, yeah.
I mean, it's nothing.
All right. Jeff, appreciate it.
Am I wrong?
Thanks. Well, I mean, I agree with some parts. Other parts, I'm going to talk about a little bit later.
Okay.
All right. Thanks,
Fair
Jeff.
enough. Yeah.